Most people think credit repair software is complicated and risky, but the surprising truth is that Credit Repair Cloud makes managing client credit disputes much simpler and compliant. Today, I'm giving an honest review based on real usage experience. Credit Repair Cloud is a cloud-based platform designed for credit repair businesses. It allows you to manage clients, track disputes, automate letters, and run reporting dashboards. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a CRM. You can actually automate the entire credit repair workflow. I tested it with a few sample clients and found the interface intuitive and well organized. You won't believe what happens next. The platform automatically generates dispute letters based on client data and credit bureau templates, and even tracks responses. This saves hours of manual work and reduces human error. It also includes billing management, so you can invoice clients directly from the platform. The surprising truth is the compliance tools. Credit Repair Cloud keeps you aligned with federal regulations, which is critical since credit repair can be heavily regulated. It also offers educational resources and integrations with reporting tools to analyze client progress. Some downsides include that the pricing can be high for beginners, and there is a learning curve for advanced features. However, for serious credit repair businesses looking to scale efficiently, it's an incredibly powerful tool. In conclusion, if you want a reliable, compliant, and efficient platform for running a credit repair business, Credit Repair Cloud is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest fintech and credit software reviews before starting your business.